Armando H. Getting started on your LC 998 V500. Armando likes my work so much he's ordered 3 radios already. So I sure hope you enjoy this one. I remembered I got to make you a video. I'd already started taking the radio apart. I've already done the preliminary checks on it to make sure everything works before I started on it. And it does. The radio works good. I'm getting ready right now to pull this guy here apart and start installing the 400 watt board in there. Okay, more to come. Okay, got her opened up. Thought I'd give you a shot of the old board before I start ripping it out. Alright, more to come. Okay, got the new board mounted in there. See right there where the transistors go, and you can tell nothing's ever been soldered on this board. It's brand spanking new. Okay, alright, more to come. Okay, I got the power connections made. And got the RF cable hooked up and ready to put the transistors in. Alright, I'm getting ready to install the transistors. You can see I got the heatsink compound in there already. Okay, ready to set the transistors in there and start soldering. More to come. Okay, got the transistors physically mounted in there. I'm getting ready to solder them now, but you can see they all tested the same. It's a matched pair. It's a quad matched pair. I always buy these transistors from the same source, the same supplier. I know that when I get them, they are the real thing and not a Chinese knockoff, as you'll see once we do the testing. Okay, more to come. Okay, Armando, this is your 400 watt upgrade board for the LC 998 V500. Okay, so I'm going to show you got the transistors all mounted in there and everything. All right, more to come. Okay, I got it all hooked up. You ain't gonna believe this. Alright, that meter on the right, I've got a 1000 watt slug in it. Okay, I'm on the ×1 position. I'm going to be reading on the bottom scale. 100 is 1000 watts. Okay, 60 is 600 watts. Now this is a peak meter. Audio. And it would probably do better than that if I had a bigger power supply. But my power supply is only a 50 amp power supply. Now I do have a battery connection for my DX667V, but the cable won't reach over here to this one. Pretty sure we'd be looking at more peak power than that. I got a 250 watt slug over here. So we're reading on that top scale. That 25 there is going to be 250. Come on, focus. Audio. It goes past 300 RMS. Motherfucker. I am duly impressed. You can see these are Toshiba red dots. Alright. Okay, now I got to finish doing the rest of the radio. I think you're going to like this one. Okay, more to come. Okay, Armando, got your CP1 mounted on the bottom here. It's actually that little module right there, got hot glue on it to hold it in place. The bottom cover, actually the top cover, will go here. Okay, but I don't want it. I don't want the wires and everything moving around. Okay, got your two switches mounted up on the back here. As you can see, the one on the left is your amp control switch. The one on the right is the high cut. Now, I know you didn't buy the high cut, but you've been such a good customer, I gave it to you at no charge. Okay. All right. Okay, I think I'm all done in here. There's your new filter. Upgraded from a 25 kilohertz wide filter to a 15 kilohertz wide. There's your new first RF amp. Okay, I upgraded the DC input buffer filter from a 1000 microfarad to a 4700. Okay, I upgraded your voltage regulator buffer filter from a 1000 to a 3300. Okay, that's him right there. And of course, I told you I gave you the high cut switch, also gave you the amp switch. So I'm getting ready to put the amp on the bottom of it, put it back together, and get some readings here. Okay, almost done. More to come. Okay, Armando, she's done. Okay, this is the one with the Toshibas in it. Now, my decal guy screwed up. I asked him to make a 500 watt version of this decal. What he did was make a bastard 500 watt decal of the LC 995. The LC 995 doesn't have the modulation light, but he cut out a hole for it, and he put the LC 998 up here, or LC 995 B500 where the LESCOM is, and you put the LESCOM down here where the, so I don't know what the hell he was smoking that day, but that decal is shit. So I'm going to order another decal. He's on vacation right now, and he won't be back till after the 10th of July. So after the 10th of July, I'll get him to make another decal with 500 down here, and I'll have that shipped directly to you. All you have to do is pull off the knobs, peel this one off, and install the new one. Okay? Sorry about that. But I wanted to show you this. Hang on just a second. Let me get set up here. Sorry. Okay, I've got a 1000 watt slug in this one, and I've got a 500 watt slug in this one. Okay, they are both on, well, the meter on the left reads direct. The meter on the right has a multiplier in it, but the multiplier is set times 1. So we're reading on this bottom scale here. Okay, this bottom scale right here, that's 1000 watts. And on this one, we're reading on the center scale. That's 500 watts there on the center. Okay, watch this. Channel 20. Okay, let's do AM first. That's a 300 watt dead key. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio 1 2 1 2 audio, and over 600 watts peak. Okay, now we're on lower sideband. Hello, audio, audio, audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 audio test. Now, you did see my lights flickering above my bench, and that was over 400 watts RMS and right at 700 watts peak. Okay, out of this damn thing since we upgraded the amp board in it. I've never seen that much power out of one. Okay, the most I've ever seen has been like 500 watts. So I don't know what's different about these transistors, but they are screaming. The radio is just working great. The amp board is working great. Hello, audio, audio 1 2 1 2, audio, audio 1 2 1 2, audio, audio 1 2. Now, it would probably do better than that if I had a bigger power supply. But my power supply is limited to 50 amps, and it's actually only capable of doing about 48, according to my amp meter. So, you know, all I can say is wow. Let's see, what happens if I turn the voltage up to 14.6? Or no, I'm sorry. Yeah, let's turn it up. All right, let's turn it up to 14. Hello, audio, audio 1 2, audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1, audio test. That's over 800 fucking peak watts. God damn. I can't hardly believe that. Hello, audio, audio 1 2 1 2, audio, audio, hello, hello, audio, audio. Man, that's amazing. I'm going to put it back on 13.8. Yeah, that's how many watts or volts is that? That is, okay, that's 13.8, that's 14, it's about 14.5 volts. But when I talk on it, it falls back, audio, to a little better than 12. Let's check the current. It falls back to about 12.8 volts, audio, and the current goes as exactly 50 amps with the voltage set like that. All right, I'm gonna put it back on 13.8. Actually, I'll leave it turned up till the fans kick off. But if you get a 100 amp power supply hooked up to this thing running at 13.8, 14 volts, you're gonna see 800 watts out of it. At least 800 watts peak. Now, I mean, your average is going to stay right around 400 on sideband. And let's see what it is on AM. It's about 300 on AM. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio 1 2, audio. And even AM goes a little over 700 with it set at 14.5. Okay? Yeah. I'm going to put it back on 13.8 and set it on current. All right. Let's do the, I know the most important part was the output power, right? So I did that first. Now let's do the receiver check. I want to get on channel 20. Do I have the, yeah, it's set internal. And you can't see the damn meter, can you? But anyway, that's an S9 on AM. That's an S9 on sideband, okay? That's the only bad thing about blue. Cameras wash out in blue. I can't seem to get, over here to where you're looking at the knob. Well, still can't see it. But it's S9. That's on lower side. That's on AM. Okay. All right. Let's switch this off and go back to an external antenna, or go to an external antenna. Let's say. Okay, on channel 20 on AM. Let's go to 38 so we can hear sideband. And I don't think there's going to be anyone on here. All right. I'm going to turn on that high cut switch. Isn't that nice? Off, on, off, on. Okay, the amplifier switch is the one that's closest to the heatsink. You can control the amplifier with that. But wow. Okay. Armando, radio number 1. She's all done, buddy. I'm getting ready to start on number 2. Armando, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 7-3, everybody.